Hello all traders. Today is Monday, 11th of November 2024, and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 if we see low risk opportunities. If we look at the macro chart of daily and also 1 hour, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day high and close during the global session in a sideways range with high volatility. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go up on Dow Jones, but is in sideways on S&P 500 and going down on Nasdaq. So our plan of action for today is to wait for the volatility to calm down and have a deeper pullback and reach some support area and wait for the buyers to come back, and after rejection of price take long position in uptrend channel. So stay tuned and we're gonna update you with any trades that we're gonna take today. So we're back, and as you see, the price had a deeper pullback and reached the area of the support, and we see that the buyers came back. So we took some long position with setup C, and again we entered several long position here with setup T on Nasdaq, and we have also one open position on Dow Jones, and we are managing these positions proactively. We're waiting for another pullback on Nasdaq, and this seems to be a good area. So we entered one position here, and having limit orders here, we closed the Dow Jones position and also S&P position that we just opened quickly, and also the Nasdaq reached a profit target and ATM closed that. We're waiting for another pullback that we took again on Nasdaq and S&P 500, and we closed it on upper area of the channel with profit. So we're back again, and it's close to the end of New York market session, and the price is more trendy. So we took one long position on Nasdaq with breakout, and we are managing that position and close it with profit. We're waiting for deeper pullbacks on Nasdaq and also setting limit orders on S&P 500 and waiting for the pullback to be completed and enter long positions on Nasdaq. And we have two field position on S&P 500 that we are managing both. So we have one long position on Nasdaq that the ATM closed, and also S&P 500 was closed with profit. So we finished for the day, and as you see, the result on this account that was copied by a copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding account is positive, and we reached profit factor of 4.87, which is coming from 77% win rate from all long positions taken, and the average win to loss ratio of 1.46. The largest winning trade was $385, and the largest losing trade was $191. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for faster scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.